Hello lovelies, I'm back again with another exciting video, this time around on how one of the ways that I may prep by making my beans. When I prepare my beans, I make it easy for me for the week. This is bay leaves, dried bay leaves. I normally put it in my beans, my flour, my rice sometimes, and any other thing that I want to prevent insects or weevils from getting in. If you have issues of weevils, you want to try putting bay leaves into it. The strong flavor of aroma from the bay leaves just makes the insect uncomfortable and they will not survive for long in the beans. If it doesn't have insects already, perfect. But if it does have, you will find out that they will just be dying inside there. Okay, so I've cleaned my beans, remove all the sand, and I'm washing it. I normally do this so that for I think about 2 or 3 reasons. First, to help reduce the cooking time of the beans. So after I've washed it now, I'm going to be soaking for about 30 to 45 minutes. The reason, like I said, is to reduce the cooking time. So if your beans is going to take about an hour or 1 hour 30 minutes to be properly cooked till it's really soft, if you know what I mean, this will reduce it to about 1 hour. And then that's also saving you money in the long run on gas. Yes, besides reducing the cooking time, another reason is to help remove pesticides and whatever insecticide, whatever chemicals they have used in preserving the beans. You all know, if you are not aware, then you know now that sometimes some of these people selling these products, they use all kinds of chemicals and they are harmful to the body, even if for those in the farm and even those selling it. So we really don't know. This helps to reduce the effect of the chemicals. You can use vinegar to wash or salt water. I just wash ordinarily and then I soak for about 30 to 45 minutes. And now, as you can see, the beans has risen to the level of the water, and I'm going to be pouring this into my clean water, my pot with clean water. The third reason why I do this, it helps to reduce bloating. Beans can cause some people heartburn. I manage myself for ulcer, so one of the ways I do prepare my beans to prevent gas and bloating is by soaking it in water for some time before preparing the beans. So it's that way it doesn't cost me heartburn when I eat beans and I don't have to worry about beans. So that's on the benefit of soaking. Now back to why I prepare my beans the way that I do. I normally prepare these beans to because I have a full-time job, like I said earlier, and it makes my life easier. Once I've cooked all of these beans over the weekend, which is what I always do, I just pack them in my I just put them in my bowls and then put them in the freezer. When I put them in the freezer, whenever I am ready during the week, I could, in this particular video, I've put them in bowls and I've decided how I will share them. I could use one of the bowls depending on how many people are praying for planting, one of it for I'll use like beans and plantain, another one beans and yam, another one beans and rice, and another one maybe just plain beans depending on my mood. If it's during the rainy season, beans and corn would be nice. Fresh corn is really lovely. If you don't know how to make all these recipes, you want to subscribe now and join the train so that we can do this together. There's a lot to learn. There are so many things you want to learn on this channel, so come on board by subscribing, clicking on that subscribe button, and then let me know and click on the notification bell so that whenever I share a new post, you guys get to see it. So yeah, I eat beans about 3 to 4 times every week. I try to eat, in fact, if I had my way, I'll eat beans every day. Yes, this is just beans, I'm not mentioning the moi moi and the okpa, which is also part of the beans family. This is just regular disposable bowls the big size of it. I use it a lot at home. I even use it in organizing, and I'll be sharing that link in this video. I'll be sharing that link to the video where I shared my baby stuffs and what I have in his wardrobe. Okay, so now I try to share it into equal parts in the bowls. Sometimes I have water left in the beans. If I have water left, I don't throw it away. I put it back inside the freeze. I put it while I'm packing the beans. I put it inside the bowl. All I need to do is just a few hours before I'm ready to use the beans, I bring it out from the freezer, leave it on the countertop to thaw, and then I use it. Very easy. I don't even normally fry my sauce. I just mix it all, and then very yummy, yummy, yummy. If you don't like beans, it's probably because you're not preparing it well. So you want to join this train so we can have exciting meals, yummy, tasty meals all of the time. And when you're packing, be sure to leave some extra space on the top, at the top, because when you have your food in the freezer, there's normally expansion. The products normally whatever item you have, the food normally expand in size. And if you have it's like a glass container, there's tendency is going to burst. I'm sure some of you have experience of putting maybe drinks in a glass in the freezer, and then after some time you realize that's burst, or even canned drinks or something like that. They burst because there are no enough um, room in the containers for expansion to take place. So you want to leave extra space for expansion, and then you're good to go. So at this stage now, all I need to do is just expand. All I need to do is just cover up the bowls, and then that'll be all. I just forget. Can you imagine the stress of having to select beans every day of the week if you have to prepare beans every week? This is, to me, the perfect method for making your life easier, living healthy at the same time, and not digging holes in your pocket. I hope this video is able to help you guys. I would like if you subscribe and drop your comments below so I can know what you think about this video and what you think of my videos. I'll see you guys in another video. Meanwhile, please drop your comments below, share with your friends, and then subscribe if you've not subscribed. Though, check out my other videos to let me know what you think. I'll be seeing you in another video, guys. Until then, bye.